People often think that if you're poor, it's because you don't work, you're lazy, and so forth. This is not the case.
The ALICE population, which stands for Asset Limited Income Constrained and Employed, so the working poor, who doesn't receive public assistance. That population, combined with people who actually fall below the federal poverty guidelines, is about 60% of people who live in Emmitsburg.
We're trying to bring the message of the gospel as Jesus expected us to, as we're going to help our neighbors, but we're not going to help our neighbors stay where they are, but help them to be as fully human and as fully thriving as they can possibly be. Seton Center is a place where the people in this community can come and find services and help they need to be understood and to help them grow to be more self-sufficient. I think there's a lot of times people come here, they don't know what to do. My medical bills are so high, I'm in debt, I'm going to lose my house.
Poverty is full of chaos. And folks have a hard time sifting through all of that to really get to the roots of their problems. When they come to Seton Center, it's a place to kind of breathe.
It's honestly forming a relationship and trying to understand how they can help themselves. Actually, we want to journey with them to empower them.
A lot of times they come to us with this problem-saturated story, and they believe that about themselves, that they're a problem. It's a unique and different way of thinking to say to someone, yes, you have a problem, but you're not the problem. So how can we be a partner to you in building that future story that you want to have?
People don't realize the strengths and the gifts that they have.
We look for long-term solutions. There are Band-Aids that we can give folks and help them when they need utilities or a home. But then we get to the root of the problem and try to figure out why they've been impacted by poverty.
It's like a family. I mean, it's there. It's like a family member that you have that you can count on to help you in your time of crisis. Without them, I don't think there is a community.
If we want our community to be a place where everyone can live well, then we have to make sure that not only are people in middle class and people in wealth doing things to move that needle on poverty, but we also need to make sure that people in poverty are empowered and included in decision-making processes. Getting ahead is one step that helps them do that.
It did a lot for me, actually. It got me in the right state of mind to try to get myself out of the hole I was trying to dig out of. It gave me the skills and the confidence. It taught me that it was okay to reach out for help from the community.
We don't like to say we give assistance, we like to give partnership. They're already the expert. They're already accountable to their own problems. And they already have all the tools and resources they need to solve them individually. They just need a little partnership from us.
It's strictly a sort of a self-help mission. It gives you the incentive and the initiative to go out and do what you want to pursue.
And sometimes don't we all need that? We just need somebody to be in our corner. And that's kind of encapsulates what I feel like Seton Center and Getting Ahead is all about.
It taught me a lot about my community, about the causes of poverty, about the steps I can take to get out of poverty, seeing where I was and how I was going to change that.
The other program that we have is a dental program.
Oral health is really tied into so many parts of our lives. I've had people come in who are just in so much dental pain. They're just sick. And so when they go to the dentist and have this dental work done, clear out the infection, they just feel so much better.
With the dental work that they did, it mentally lifted so much about me. I used to cover my mouth. I used to, when I laughed or talked or any of it, I stayed inside most of the time because I didn't want to be seen. They fixed my teeth, but they also helped with my mental state and my physical state, because when you have rotten teeth and the teeth affect like every part of you.
Years ago, there was such a change in the county government that they took away all the social service programs, and we were the only ones left. how could we abandon these people? We had to be here, and we had to figure out how to make it work. It has worked because the people, the churches, the various groups in town have all worked together to provide funding for us so that we could continue to work.
Seton Center is a place that brings the community together.
I love our motto, if you will, like the hope in the valley. I think we offer that. We offer people hope that they are the experts in their own situation, that they're not alone. We're not just here to stick a Band-Aid on something. We want to work ourselves out of a job.